Hey, iPhone fans! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out of your iPhone and can't remember your passcode? Don't stress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass your forgotten passcode and get back into your device quickly and easily. Let's dive in and regain access to your iPhone in no time. Effective ways to bypass forgotten iPhone passcode. Way 1. Use Passixer iPhone Unlocker, which has the least limitations. For an easier and better way, Passixer iPhone Unlocker bypasses iPhone screen locks, including passcodes, Face ID, and Touch ID, across various models and iOS versions. It also removes iTunes backup passwords, iCloud activation locks, and MDM restrictions for complete device access. Visit the official Passixer website to download the software. Once the download is finished, go ahead and install the software on your computer, then open the Passixer application. In the main interface of Passixer, select the Wipe Passcode option, use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer, and carefully adhere to the on-screen instructions. The Passixer software will automatically identify your iPhone model and prompt you to download the corresponding software for it. Simply click Start to begin the download. After the download is complete, ensure you read the warnings regarding the unlocking process for your iPhone. Then enter 0000 to confirm. Click Unlock to start the unlocking procedure and patiently wait for it to complete. Using iTunes or Passixer to unlock your iPhone can be extremely beneficial when you find yourself locked out. Way 2 through iCloud.com. If you have Find My iPhone enabled, begin by launching a web browser on your computer or another device and go to iCloud.com. Next, log in using your Apple ID and password. After logging in, you will find a main menu where you can select Find iPhone. Choose Find iPhone and then click on all devices located at the top of the page. From the available devices, select your iPhone. Finally, click on Erase iPhone to start the process of deleting all the data from your device. These strategies provide various ways to regain access to your device. Way 3. Use iTunes. If your computer fails to recognize your device, you can try the following steps. For iPhone X or newer models, iPhone SE 2nd generation or later, iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus. Slide the slider to turn off your device, then hold down the side button while connecting your device to your computer. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and then connect your device to your computer. For the 1st generation iPhone SE or any iPhone 6S or earlier, hold down the home button and connect your device to your computer. Once in recovery mode, use your computer to finish the process by opening Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When prompted, click Restore and Update, and ensure that your device remains connected throughout the restoration process. After it is complete, you can restore from a backup if you have one. Your iPhone will restart and the Hello screen will appear once the process is finished. Way 4. Use Find My app. If you have the Apple ID associated with the device, you can assist using another Apple device. Launch the Find My app and click on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Choose your iPhone from the available list, then scroll down and select Erase this device. Follow the prompts on the screen to verify the erasure process. Some tricks to bypass forgotten iPhone password. Way 1. Use Face ID or Touch ID if you have set one before. If you have Face ID or Touch ID enabled, you can unlock your iPhone easily. With Face ID, just look at your device and it will recognize you. For Touch ID, simply place your finger on the home button and your phone will unlock right away. Way 2. Erase iPhone in lock screen, iOS 15.2 or later. To begin, repeatedly enter an incorrect screen passcode on your iPhone until you see a message saying iPhone unavailable or security lockout. Try again in X minutes. Next, look for and select the Erase iPhone option. This will bring up a new screen titled Erase All Content and Settings. Choose Erase iPhone again and enter your Apple ID password in the required field to continue. Way 3. Use Old Passcode, iOS 17 or later. If you are using iOS 17 and can still remember your old passcode, you have the option to reset your iPhone passcode without losing any data. To do this, if you input an incorrect passcode on your iPhone 5 consecutive times, a screen similar to the one shown below will pop up. Click on the Forgot Passcode button, and then choose Enter Previous Passcode on the subsequent interface. Input the old passcode that was previously set to unlock the screen and wait while your iPhone verifies it. Once the verification is successful, a new screen will appear, allowing you to set a new passcode. Way 4. Use Siri, iOS 8.0 to iOS 10.1. To activate Siri on an iPhone with a home button, just press and hold the home button. For iPhones without a home button, simply press and hold the side button. Then ask Siri, "What time is it?" to open the clock app. Once in the clock app, add a new clock and type anything in the search box. Select all the text and choose Share. Next, select the Message app and type anything in the To field. Tap the return key and then tap the plus icon to create a new contact. You can add a photo to the contact, which will open the photo library. Finally, press the home button to return to the home screen. And there you have it. I hope this video helps you regain access to your device quickly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful tech tips.